Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day. And in this video, you'll see some high pencil heel and really beautiful design and different color combination that look really nice and look really amazing. And as you see, this one in a black color, it looked really nice and look really nice. And as you see, this one is a really beautiful in red color, so some slipper type of heel. This is in a silver, a little bit shiny thing. It look really nice. This is a red with some colorful type of thing on the top that look really pretty. And this is also a really nice type of design. And this is some white and black combo that look really amazing. And this is in purple color that elevating the style of the heel. And this is in a green color with some transparent type and look really pretty. And this is some two color combination with the same type of design that look really pretty. And as you see, this one in a really nice type of combination, it look really amazing. And in each video will take you on a journey through the latest trends, timeless classics, and innovative design that define the modern woman's footwear wardrobe or passion for fashion. Uh, and attention to detail will leave you inspired to make a statement with your footwear choice. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so on this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and every color combination. So do check them and comment below which above video you want to see the next. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So that's it for today video. I will see you in the next videos. Wallah, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video.